Ever wondered how to create a website in minutes? Imagine crafting a full-fledged website using just a handful of keywords. No more hours of coding or wrestling with complex layouts. This is a game changer, offering a quick, efficient solution that requires zero coding skills. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also allows you to create high-converting landing pages primed to rake in leads and boost sales. So how does this magical process work? Stay tuned to find out. Creating a website with keywords is as simple as typing a few words. Step 1. It all begins with choosing the right keywords. Think about what your website is about, what products or services you're offering, and who your audience is. The best keywords are those that accurately reflect your content and are likely to be used by potential visitors when they search online. So, if you're selling handmade jewelry, your keywords might include handmade, jewelry, artisan, and so on. Step 2. Once you've chosen your keywords, it's time to input them into your AI marketing assistant. This is where the magic happens. You see, the assistant is designed to take your keywords and use them as the foundation to build your website. You simply enter your chosen keywords and the AI takes it from there. Step 3. Now the AI gets to work. It starts by creating the layout for your website. It establishes the structure, designs the page layouts, and ensures that everything is organized in a way that's user-friendly and visually appealing. It's like having an expert web designer at your fingertips, but without the high cost. Step 4. Next, the AI writes the copy. It uses your keywords to generate engaging, relevant content that's designed to attract and retain visitors. It's like having a professional copywriter on your team, crafting content that's tailored to your audience and optimized for search engines. Step 5. While the AI is writing the copy, it's also searching for relevant media. It scours the internet for images, videos, and other media that complement your content and enhance the user experience. It's like having a media specialist on your side, sourcing and integrating the perfect media elements for your site. Step 6. Finally, the AI combines everything to create the final product. It merges the layout, copy, and media into a cohesive, high-converting landing page. And just like that, with a few keywords and the power of AI, you have a website ready to go live. And there you have it, a website created in minutes with just a few keywords. Impressive, isn't it? Just imagine the simplicity of creating your own website with just a few keywords. No coding, no tedious design work, just your ideas brought to life. This method is not only convenient, but it also offers the potential for high-converting landing pages, driving more leads and sales. So why wait? Start creating your own website with keywords today. Check the link in the description to get started.